Hey, welcome back to Dad's Van. Today we're going to be installing this NOCO GCP shore power outlet on the side of the van. I went with the GCP2 because it's got prefabricated internal cabling with two standard plug connectors. So I'm going to be running that into two of the input converters into the Yeti Lithium 1400. So, glad you're here. Let's check it out. Show you how it's done. Alright, so just wanted to show you where we're going to be bringing this into the van. So, on the rear driver's side where we have the Yeti Lithium 1400, and we've moved back some insulation here, and we're going to be punching through with drilling a 2-inch hole. And what I've done is I've put a magnet here that'll allow me to find where the spot is on the other side of the van. Just kind of a neat trick to locating it, in addition to taking some measurements just to double check. Then that cord will come in, and we're going to be using the standard inputs on the Yeti, the one that came with it. And then I bought one additional one, so we can be bringing power in through this input port here, as well as this unused one on the front panel. And that should give us a total of 10 amps charging power. Alright, so with the magnet on the inside, I'm taking something that will attract to that magnet. Kind of locate where the magnet's at. I'm going to trace that out on here, and then just double checking that where I want the center point to be. Do a 2-inch hole around that. So with a hole saw made for cutting out 2-inch, we're going to go ahead and drill through. I'd also suggest putting glue tape down here just to prevent you from scratching any other areas around. And if you have any emery cloth, I recommend just cleaning up the cut. Make sure there's not any sharp edges on there. And then next we're going to want to paint this with some Rust-Oleum, just to make sure that it doesn't, if it gets wet, it doesn't rust. Now I'm also going to mark where the screws go. Even though this plug comes with some self-tapping screws, I want to pre-drill just so I can paint those holes. that paint dry for a couple hours. Then we'll come back and put the NOCO plug in with some silicone sealant, put the screws in, and then we should be done. Alright, last step's going to be putting some silicone sealant around the inside of the NOCO shore power plug and putting in the screws so everything holds in place. So I'm going to be using this Silkaflex 221. It's the same stuff I use to seal other holes on the van, like put in the roof tracks. This works really well and it's held up. It's really nasty stuff though, so definitely wear gloves. Alright, so just cleaning up using a microfiber cloth. It's a good way to clean up any silicone smudges or other stuff that's formed around there. Alright, here's the finished product on the outside. Alright, just show you how we got this connected up inside the van. So we got the NOCO plug coming through, and we have the two standard outlet connectors, one going to an adapter feeding into the top input on the Yeti, and the other one going into the standard adapter plugged in on the inside, and that's giving us about 127 watts of charging when connected to a standard 15 amp outlet. And there's the connection on the outside. Alright, that concludes this video. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, or hit the donate button. It's on our channel's main page. Every bit helps for the time we spend making these videos. Thanks and have fun out there.